Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Today we start our new exercise 18.3, question number 1. Mathematics 10th class book, second chapter 18, variation. Unit 18, variation. Question number 1, find the third proportional. If first, second and fourth proportional are, question number 1 is part 1, 6, 18 and 54. Solution: let x be third proportional, then 6:18 proportional to x ratio 54. First and last multiply and mean proportional are also multiplied. 18 multiply with x equal to 54 multiply by 6. X is equal to 54 multiply by 6 upon 18, and 18 ones are 18, 18 sixes are 54, and no, 18 threes are 64, 6 threes are 18. Answer is 18. Second part, a cube minus b cube, comma a plus b and a minus b. Solution: let x be third proportional, then a square minus b square ratio a plus b proportional to x ratio a minus b. X multiply with a plus b and a square minus b square multiply with a minus b. We know that minus square formula have two brackets, a plus b and a minus b, and this is another bracket of a minus b. Cancel with a plus b to a plus b. We have two a minus b's brackets, that's why a minus b whole square is x. Answer: x is equal to a minus b whole square. The third part of first question is x plus y whole square, comma x cube plus y cube and x plus y. Let z be the third proportional, then x plus y whole square ratio x proportional to x cube plus y cube ratio x plus y. Z multiply with x cube plus y cube and xy multiply with x plus y whole square, x plus y whole square. Okay, z equal to, and this is the x plus cube, x cube plus y cube have two brackets, x plus y and x square minus xy plus y square. This is the a cube plus b cube's formula, and x plus y whole square and x plus y bracket cancel with denominators x plus y bracket. We have x plus y whole square in numerator and denominator x square minus xy plus y square. This is the answer of Z. Okay, question number 4, a cube plus b cube upon a square minus b square, comma a square minus ab plus b square upon a minus b and a plus b. Let x be the third proportional. Okay, this is our first proportion proportion, a cube plus b cube upon a square minus b square ratio a square minus ab plus b square upon a minus b proportional to x ratio a plus b. We know that a ratio b proportional to c ratio d. It means a d b c. X multiply with a square minus ab plus b square upon a minus b equal to this fraction multiply with last a plus b, and these brackets come from a square minus b square. A square minus b square have a plus b bracket and a minus b. A plus b bracket cancel with nominators a plus b bracket, and we have a cube plus b cube we know that in a cube plus b cube, two brackets a plus b and a square minus ab plus b, and this is come from left hand side. Left hand side have a square minus ab plus b square upon ab. Go to other side, numerator in denominator and denominator in numerator. It means a minus b upon a square minus ab plus b square, and this bracket cancel with this bracket, and denominators bracket a minus b with cancel nominators a minus b, and we have only one bracket a plus b, the answer of x. This is the fourth part of first question. Question number 2. Question number 2, find the fourth proportion to first part is a comma 4 comma 2. Let's be fourth proportional. A ratio 4 proportional to 2 ratio x. 8 multiply with x and 4 multiply with 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 cancel with 8. X is equal to 1. It means x multiply with x and go to other side, cancel with 8. 4 2s are 8. That's why answer is x is equal to 1. Second part of question 2, a cube plus b cube comma a square minus b square comma a square minus ab plus b square. Let x be the fourth proportional. Then x cube plus b cube ratio a square minus b square proportional to a square minus ab plus b square ratio x. X multiply with a cube plus b cube is equal to a square minus b square multiply with a square minus ab plus b square. We know that a square minus b square have two brackets, a minus b and a plus b. A minus b I am right here, and a plus b with multiply this bracket we found a cube plus b cube. We know that a cube plus b cube have two brackets, a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square. That's why I am right here a cube plus b cube, and only a minus b come from this bracket. Understand? And a cube plus b cube multiply with x, come to right hand side, divide with this, we cancel a cube plus b cube with a cube minus plus b cube of numerator. Only one bracket remaining. The answer of x is a minus b. Third part, solution. Let x be the fourth proportional of this question. Then a square minus 8a plus 12 ratio a minus 2 proportional to 2a cube minus 12a ratio x. X multiply with this bracket, I am right here, is equal to a minus b multiply with a cube minus 12. I am right here a 2a square common from both, and we have a minus b. So the answer of this bracket is a 2a square in bracket a minus 6. And this brackets have two brackets after factorization, a square minus 8a plus 12. And so we have after factorization two brackets a minus 2 and a minus 6. A minus 2 cancel with a minus 2 and a minus 6 cancel with nominators a minus 6. Only we have 2a square. The answer of x. Question number 2, third part answer. Fourth part. This is our fourth part question. Let x be fourth proportional. Okay, two brackets in first ratio, second a cube plus b cube proportional to a cube minus b cube ratio x. X multiply with in both bracket a square minus b square and a square minus ab plus b square is equal to a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. These brackets come from left hand side, That's why they divide with a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. And we know that a square minus b square have two brackets, a plus b, a minus b. That's why I am right here. And a cube plus b cube have also two brackets, a plus b in first bracket, and second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. And a cube minus b cube have also two brackets, a minus b in first bracket, and last bracket or second bracket have a square plus ab plus b square, bracket over. Now cancellation, a plus b cancel with numerators a plus b, a minus b cancel with a minus b brackets nominators, and a square minus ab plus b square cancel with denominators a square minus ab plus b square. We have only one bracket, a square plus ab plus b square, the answer of x, the value of x, the answer of fourth part of second question. This is our third question. Question number third, find the mean proportional to number 1, 8 and 18. We know that we write here 2 times any let x z be the mean proportional, then x ratio z proportional to z ratio 18. First and fourth multiply and z into z, z square 18, 8 is 144, both side taking square root, because we question want to z value, that's why we cancel z square with square root, and 144's square root is 12. So z equal to 12 is first part's answer. Second part, question number 3 is let's y be the mean proportion. So I am right here y 2 times 5a square and 28a cube b square from question, and y proportional to y into y equal to y square, and 5a b square and 28a cube b square. We know that multiplication of variable, the power is added, 1 plus 3, 1 power of a and 3 power of a, 1 plus 3 equal to 4, and also b 2 plus 2 equal to 4, and 28 5s are 140, taking square root on both sides. Square cancel with the square root, y have a square, that's why we taking a square root, square cancel with the square root. This is the factors of 140, and square a power 4, the square root is a square, and b square b power 4. 35 means 5 7s are 35, in square root pair of 2, that's why 2 is here. So answer of y is 2 square root 35 a square b square. Question number 3 is third part. A power 4 minus b power 4 comma a square minus b square upon a square plus b square, let x be the mean proportional. This is first value and this is last value, x into x square, and a power 4 minus b power 4 multiply with a square minus b square and a square plus b square, fourth value. And we know that a power 4 minus b power 4 have two brackets, a square minus b square and a square plus b square. A square plus b square cancel with a square plus b square. So we have two brackets, a square minus b square multiply with a square plus b square whole square. A square is equal to a square minus b square whole square. Taking square root on both sides, x square cancel with x square cancel with a square root both sides. So x equal to a square minus b square. This is the answer of third part of question number 3. And fourth part of question number 3. Let x be the mean proportional. I am right here, first is this value and last is this value. between x and x, x into x square, and these both values multiply. This okay, these brackets comes from a cube minus b cube. Okay, I'm right here this value, and these both brackets come from a cube minus b cube. We know that a cube minus b cube have two brackets, a minus b, and a square plus ab plus b square. A square plus ab plus b square cancel with denominator's bracket, and we have two brackets, a minus b and a minus b. It means a minus b whole square, taking square root both side, square cancel with roots, so answer is x is equal to a minus b. Question number 4. Question number 4 is find the value of x on the following continued proportions. Part 1 is 45, x, 5. Since 45, x, 5 are proportional, in continued proportional, that's why 45 ratio x proportional to x and ratio 5. Understand? I am right here 2 times x because these are continued proportionals. That's why I am right here x and x. X into x, x square, 45 multiplied by 5, 225. Square root on both sides, squares cancel with roots. This is x, and 225 square root is 15. Similarly, solve this question. Since 16x and 9 are continued proportion, so you write 2 times x, 16 ratio x, and x ratio 9. X into x, x square, 16 multiplied by 9 equal to 144, taking a square root cancel with the squares, 144 square root is 12. This is the answer of x. Question number 3. Question number 4's third part. Get 12, 3x minus 6 and 27. Since 12, 3x minus 6 and 27 are continued proportion, we write here 2 times 3x minus 6, you can see here, and 12 and 27. 3x minus 6 multiply with 3x minus 6 whole square is equal to whole square, and is equal to 12 multiply with 27. 12 multiply with 27 equal to 324, and a square root on both sides, taking a square root on both sides, square cancel with root, and 18 is the 324 square root. Minus 6 is 8 with 18 of from right hand side. 3 multiply with x, go to right hand side, divide with 24, 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24, that's why x is equal to 8. You can easily solve fourth part of question number 4. Hope you all are understand this exercise. Okay, Allah Hafiz.